Day 3, Rotarax December Day Trading Challenge. Welcome back. I'm your host, Racky here. Racky Ryan, you can call me. We are up $37 on the challenge. If KSHB drops, we're going to buy more. It gapped up, and now it is dropping. Right? It was over $1. So yesterday it closed at like 0.95 and then went over $1. Now it's at 0.93. So we actually just entered a position. We have 3,433 shares. 3433. All right, so welcome back. It is 12:19 Central. The market's been open for about almost 4 hours now. As you can see, I went and got a haircut. Update of what's going on here. Remember, we bought 666 Kush Bottles this morning. And currently it is at 0.988. So the stock is up since we bought it. We still have $1,942 in cash that we could invest in. Even if this went to zero, we'd still have $2,000 to trade with. So there is some sort of level of comfort there. I don't know if most people that day trade use all their money at once. I don't feel comfortable doing that currently. Maybe that'll change. I do like where we're at. I'd like that we faced adversity on day one. We were down $351. I'm not going to lie. I was immediately like, oh, this is awful. This isn't going to go well. And then day two, we had a good day and we came back, and now we're up on day three. However, I do know that things can change quickly. The only thing that we have sort of on our radar is if the MORE Act is passed, which would be wild. That would be amazing. And then the stocks will go up a lot. Or if the MORE Act is not passed, then stock could go down a lot. Something just came up that seems pretty interesting to me, and I would like to let you guys know about. So, threat to remove Chinese firms from Wall Street is now on Trump's desk. As we all know, Trump is not a big fan of China. He's been bashing on China for 4 years. He doesn't like them. The House of Representatives on Wednesday passed a bill that would prevent companies that refuse to open their books to U.S. accounting regulators from trading on U.S. stock exchanges. Meaning, in the past, there was a company called Luckin Coffee, and they were supposed to be like the next Starbucks, the Starbucks of China. Well, Luckin Coffee's stock went all the way up to like $40 per share, and it came out that their books were completely false, and their numbers, they were lying about their numbers. And so the stock went from $40 a share to $6 per share. And a lot of U.S. investors lost a lot of money. A lot of people, because they were listed on the U.S. stock exchange. They don't want that to happen again. This bill, though, being passed, this could be significant. This could be very significant. Stocks like Alibaba, JD, Baidu, Pinduoduo, VIP Shop, Bilibili, these are just some of the main tech companies that I can think of that are Chinese tech companies. They could get smashed. I don't know if those stocks will be hit immediately. I'm assuming, I don't know if those stocks will be hit at all, but I'm assuming they could. This seems like it could be a time to day trade or like buy puts. So when you're buying puts, I know I've mentioned puts in the other videos. A put is a way to short the market. So when you buy stock, you're going long. You want the stock to go up. You have a piece of a business, and so you want that piece of the business to grow in value. But when you buy puts, a put is similar to shorting a stock. The way a put goes up in value is if the stock goes down in value. I know a lot of this is confusing. I'll do other videos in the future that explain some of this. So with that being said, I'm going to take a look at some of the put options on some of the big Chinese tech companies. So Alibaba is currently trading at 266.71. It's up 2% on the day. I don't know if my theory is how good my theory is actually. I'm assuming the market knows this information that I know. They have to, yes. The market already knows the information I know. It was updated today at 11 a.m. So it's been out for almost 2 hours now. And the stock is up. It's up 2%. I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to buy any put options on Alibaba. But I am thinking about it. Wow. This is awesome. The account now is literally at $6,000. We now have a 6 in front of the account value. So we started at $5,750. We fell. First day was adversity. It was not good. It did not go well. And then we gained back yesterday to have a slight profit. So we were up $37. Now we're at $6,000. Today we gained $213. So tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is the day the house is going to be. I'm assuming. I mean, they said it was this week, so it hasn't happened yet. It's Thursday. Tomorrow is a big day. Fingers crossed. I don't really know if they're going to pass it. It's probably unlikely, but what if? What if they do? What if they pass it? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on notifications because we're going to be day trading every single day during December. The YouTube algorithm doesn't know about our channel yet, and so the more likes and follows we get, it helps us. Again, thank you guys for being here with me, and I hope you have a great day.